Yesterday we discussed about the gland which is known as adrenal gland. So you can see in this figure, adrenal gland is present here at the top of kidney on both the sides, and the hormones secreted by adrenal glands are adrenaline and noradrenaline. Adrenaline is also known as emergency hormone because it prepares the body to fight, to face any challenge, and to run away in a dangerous situation. And adrenaline is also released when we are under stress or if we are involved in any intensive exercise, and it makes the heart beat faster. So when we are doing exercise, our heartbeat increases, and this increases the flow of blood to the brain so that we can face the emergency situation, we can cope with the stress, right? And after that, the next gland is pancreas. It is located in the abdomen behind the stomach. So pancreas is both exocrine as well as endocrine gland. That's why it is known as dual gland or mixed gland. So beta, this question is very important. Why pancreas is known as dual gland? Because it is both endocrine and exocrine. And what are its function? If we talk about exocrine component, then it consists of ducts of Purkinje which produce the pancreatic fluid that contains digestive enzymes. And if we talk about endocrine part, it consists of islets of Langerhans which secrete hormone insulin. तो बेटा एक्सोक्राइन पार्ट में ये डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस सिक्रीट करता है, डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम सिक्रीट करता है, और एंडोक्राइन पार्ट में ये सिक्रीट करता है हार्मोन इंसुलिन विच कंट्रोल्स द अमाउंट ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन द ब्लड. The extra glucose is converted into glycogen by insulin hormone and it is stored in the liver. In some people, enough insulin is not released, because of which excess glucose accumulates in the blood and it is excreted along with the urine. देखो कई बार क्या होता है, जब इंसुलिन हार्मोन बॉडी के अंदर प्रोड्यूस नहीं होता प्रॉपर अमाउंट में, तो जो एक्सेस ग्लूकोज है वो यूरिन में आना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, और इस कंडीशन को हम कहते हैं डायबिटीज़ मेलिटस, जिसे हम नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में कहते हैं शुगर. तो इंसुलिन हार्मोन अगर नहीं प्रोड्यूस होगा बॉडी में प्रॉपर अमाउंट में, तो शुगर हो जाता है, जो कि यूरिन में ब्लड के साथ अगर शुगर का लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाए तो वो यूरिन में शुगर जो है वो ग्लूकोज जो है आना स्टार्ट हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज टेस्टिस. दीज आर कंटेन्ड इन द स्क्रोटम ऑफ मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन. तो फंक्शन क्या है बेटा इसके? टेस्टिस सिक्रीट हार्मोन टेस्टोस्टेरोन विच रेगुलेट द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ reproductive organs and secondary sexual characters at puberty, such as deepening of voice, growth of facial and body hair and so on. So आपको क्या लर्न करना है? Functions of kidney. Hormone is testosterone. Next is ovaries, which are almond shaped glands. They are present on both sides of the uterus below the opening of fallopian tubes in females. Their functions are, they secrete two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. These hormones regulate the development of reproductive organs and secondary sexual characters at puberty. तो जैसे कि टेस्टिस के हार्मोन का फंक्शन है, सेम फंक्शन ओवरीज के हार्मोन के हैं, राइट. सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल करैक्टर्स आते हैं, डेवलपमेंट होती है रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स की. ओके, तो आपको क्या लर्न करने हैं? इनके फंक्शंस, इनका लोकेशन, नेम ऑफ द हार्मोन. डायबिटीज़ जो है बेटा एक कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत ज़्यादा आजकल ये हो रही है इन ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन, राइट. तो हमें डायबिटीज़ को कंट्रोल करने के लिए शुगर को अवॉइड करना चाहिए, राइट. नाउ वी कैन revise the different glands. First is pituitary gland. It secretes growth hormone which regulates the growth of the body. It controls overall development of the body and increases the rate of protein synthesis. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine hormone which controls cellular metabolism and body temperature. Pancreas secretes insulin which controls the amount of glucose. Adrenal glands secrete adrenaline and noradrenaline, which help a person to cope with the emergency situation. Ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone, which control the growth of reproductive organs and development of secondary sexual characters. Testes also secrete testosterone, which control the growth of reproductive organs and secondary sexual character.